Zuari Garden City, Townhouse 9. Please come in. As we walk in, this is a shoe cabinet area with a little bit of a console and some artifacts as well. We've got some light fittings here. This is the living and dining area. This is your 4-seater dining table with some artifacts and paintings again. This is a buffet cabinet. It has storage enough for all your crockery items. This is a leather, pure leather sofa which comes in an L shape with 2 coffee tables matching the finishing. The rug, and it has a adjustable headrest for usage of your kind of comfort for your back. This is a TV unit, come display cabinet here, and the package actually includes the artifacts as well. Your TV comes here, and this here is the modular kitchen, which has all the accessories within the same, with shelving in some and accessories in the others, with cutlery trays and things like that. That's the kitchen, and it also has a small unit that side and also a hanging crockery unit on the other side. Now the kitchen can be made customized according to your choice and your requirements based on the way that you actually like to use it. This actually is available in 2 colors as well. We've got yellow and we've got red. The sofa as well comes in 2-3 options. You can go for an L shape or you could go for a 3+2 or 3+1 as well. This is the master bedroom. As we come in, as you can see, it's a very high backrest and it's proper suede, so it's very, very comfortable for your back. We've got matching wallpaper. We would do this for all our packages. All our bedrooms would come with matching wallpaper. And we've got a bedside table here. Matching to that is the wardrobe. If you see the detailing here, it's of very, very exclusive and new modern design, sleek white. That's what's right now in the market. Everybody likes this minimalist look basically. The second bedroom, as you come in, we've got a very, very sleek and modern design here in the form of steel strips, which you would see repeated in the wardrobe area. As you see, the handles are a little bit of an angle. It's a very, very sleek modern design with white laminate finish. We've got again matching bedside units. So this is actually the full set along with wallpapers. As I said, each bedroom would come with its own choiceable and matching wallpaper. So this is another option in the bedroom. Our package actually compromises of various choices. We did not want to make the package like a general developer's package where you are stuck with one design for yourself and your neighbor. So each category has at least 3 to 4 options that you can choose from. Our attempt here through the three packages that we have showcased to you is to show you a variety of bedroom packages, living room packages, kitchen, so that you can actually understand which look suits you the best. And we as consultants are ready to go through with you in details what would look best for your requirement and your choice of furniture. Do get in touch with us before you make your decision for the interiors for your new property. Thank you.